Hi guys, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews, and I got some for these. Now this is got an Apple Watch, and here is a protective shielding. It's kind of like a case. You know how you get a case for your phone? This is a case for your Apple Watch. So it fits right around it, and my Apple Watch does not fit me because my wrists are so big. So I will have to do another video where I actually put the cover on the Apple Watch, and then I'm going to do another one where if I can find a wristband that's big enough for my wrist. The one it came with is like for a baby or somebody with really skinny wrists. So I'm going to try to find that over the weekend, and hopefully I've got the watch pretty much programmed. I just can't wear it, and I don't want to keep it in my pocket. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description, and I will get it and do another video when I get it all together. Have an awesome day.